Hello everyone, welcome to Motex Electrical once again. In this video I am going to show you a complete electrical plan for building. You can see all the light point, socket and switches clearly marked. Each symbol represents a connection point on electrical layout. This is how we plan before wiring to make sure that everything is safe, neat and according to standard. So if you look at the electrical plan and you don't understand anything, just look at the legends. So the symbols here, they are both written and interpreted on the legend side. So at Motex Electrical, we handle house wiring, maintenance and installation of all kinds, with safety and quality as our top priority. So if you are learning electrical work or planning your building project, join our Motex community to learn more. Safety first, power always.